Pilot Select Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2022 Deliver 9, stock number 6839. It's ran from the 7th 2020 to the 6th 2024. And an SV9C 2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is SV9C 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel flat tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents. Left hand tail light, left hand barnyard door no dents, right hand barnyard door 1 dent. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front headlight. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, automatic air shifter, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.